Well, we're moving the lawn tractors up to the barn now so I can work on them. Well, trying to. Got my dad help me on the three-wheeler. Get going! It's old!
There's a hole there.
I noticed a hole there. Well, it's working pretty good, but the dog's being a pain in the butt. Won't stay out of the way. When you pull in this time, pull up in front of the horses. Or up behind where the horses were.
You won't have room to get by.
Alright. Well, it's going. Oy. Well, we got it where we need it now. We just gotta push it the rest of the way in. It's good, you can go. Well, and here we are. We need it back there with the red one. It's working out pretty good. That one was easier to come in. But we don't know about this one. After I get it in, I'll come back. I'm back, guys. Pushing this in. Tires a little flat on the front. Well, this is where I'm going to be working now. After I get that shit dug out. And I'll give another video when I'm done. See you later.